just got a whole bunch of feedback from y'all that folks want to hear more about herbal gardening. So that's something that I've been dabbling in, starting to get more into growing more herbs. I'm certainly not an expert, but I just share my experience with y'all here. Chamomile is in the Asteraceae family, and it's a light dependent germinator. So as far as seeds go, they're really fine little lightweight seeds. So you'd want to sow them on the top of the surface of the soil. They can either be direct seeded in the garden in the fall or the early spring, or you can sow them in flats. And that's what I did. I sowed them in flats in the greenhouse early this spring, and then just sprinkled a tiny bit of vermiculite on top, or you can put a little bit of soil, but just enough to keep the seeds from flying away while you water them. So you just want to have enough of something to keep the seeds down, but then they need to be able to see the light to be able to germinate. A few years ago, I sowed a bunch of chamomile and it really didn't come up very well and didn't do very well. And then this year was super vigorous. So not sure exactly what I did differently, but it's a pretty hardy plant. Even though it's dainty and delicate, it's pretty hardy. It's native to Europe and some parts of Asia. So it does well in cooler climates. We're in the Pacific Northwest, Washington state here, and we have more of a cool environment. It does well in the full sun, and it's an annual. So you have to, a perennial would you'd cut it back and it'd keep coming back year after year from the same plants. An annual, it's going to die once it's done flowering and seeding. But then it self-seeds everywhere. So it's pretty cool. Once you grow chamomile, you're going to see it pop up throughout your garden. But if you just let it self-seed, it's going to be kind of sporadic where it pops up. So if you want to grow a full bed of this, like you're going to harvest, I recommend just sowing it every year. The reason why I like to sow it in flats and then transplant it is just so I can have more consistency if it doesn't do well competing with other weeds. So you'd want to be weeding it and making sure that you're seeing where it's popping up if you direct sow it in the garden. And it's really vigorous. It just kind of likes to do its thing and grows really well. So I love having this in the garden. It smells lovely. It's early morning, so the flowers have you can see these little petals are all pretty close to the plant. Once once it warms up and the sun gets on it, all of these petals will open up and you'll see more of a kind of array of petals there. But you would harvest it when it's fully flowering like this, and you can just pick the flower heads off. If you have a chamomile rake is pretty cool. It's like a berry picker, and it would kind of go through and pop all these off is what it would do for you. I am still looking for one myself, but so you can harvest the flowers and then it'll keep flowering. So in another week or so, you'll have a whole nother round of flowers, and it'll keep doing that for about a month.